me today. Come along with us because we're going to have a fun-filled ride. Let's go. So I'm in the car. We're all ready. I have my son Damon in the passenger seat with me. I have my seatbelt on for you guys. Buckle up for safety. And we're getting ready to go. Talk to you guys soon. Okay, we are switching seats. I just got out of the driveway from him because our driveway is a little tight and a little kooky for him to get in and out of. So I assisted him. I'm getting in on the passenger side and I'm gonna let him drive. Let's see how this goes. He's in the driver's seat, y'all. Wow, look at this. Wow, and he's driving. We're at a red light, waiting for the red light to change. Can you believe it? I can't. He's actually growing up. He is in the driver's seat. We've made it to our first destination safely as he drove us to there. Now he gets to park. He's parking diagonal. Okay. You see, he's still in the driver's seat. Boom. He just put the car in park. What a great job he did. Alrighty guys, we're back in the house. He drove safely. You can see he's coming from the passenger side of the car. We're heading up the steps, heading into the house. This is exciting that I have a new driver with me, guys. Woohoo! We have arrived back safely into the house. As you can see, he's still behind. You guys, thank you for joining us today. See you soon. Peace. We're cooking for the family. Of course, my spoiled son has requested that I make him some French fries. Hand cut, of course. You know, my specialty. He loves when I cook him French fries. I know it looks a little greasy, but you know, we'll fix that. It's okay. I've already wiped all the grease off the top. The grease is soaked up on the napkin. I will take that off. Just to be sure, look at that. We don't get that. throw that after the beans. Alright. Nice freshly cooked hand-cut fries. Another one of my gifts for Christmas have arrived. Target, they kept their promise. Let's look what's inside. Isn't she beautiful? Look at her. She is just gorgeous. And she has freckles. Can you see them? Wow, look at that. That is a lovely gift. I thought she wasn't gonna arrive on time because I had just ordered it last Friday. Target kept their promise. They told me that it would be here before Christmas Eve, and look, it's 2 days before. It smells like a little bit of smoke, but you know, it's okay. I think it was just because the driver probably was smoking in his truck or something, but I'm excited. I'm glad that Target really came through this time, so I recommend you guys ordering from Target. They're great. So I'm heading into the office now. Gonna go ahead and get the rest of my day started. Hey guys, thanks for joining in today. Here's the family. Remember to like,
comment,
and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss any new videos.
Thanks.
Bye.